I'm a computer science student and I need to build projects, so build a budgeting web app with me. I eventually want this to be a budgeting app that has a coach to help with planning, but for right now, I'm planning all my features and very poorly drawing out what I want the page to look like. Started coding out the basic functionality and we ended up with this. Wow. I know, she's beautiful. Then I decided to play around with some fonts and ended up choosing this one, even though it's basically the same as the first one I just showed, but it's a little bit more readable even though my camera is blurry. Do not come for me. Here's where I got stuck. I needed to add buttons to modify the table rows, and I also wanted to add checkboxes to highlight the rows, but when I finished I realized that the buttons weren't doing what I needed them to do. And then my code and I were just staring at each other like this. But then I got back to coding and I eventually figured it out. The last thing I did was try out a bunch of different styles that I hated, but I finally landed on this chocolate milky type vibe. I'm kind of rocking with it. Oh, I also added some filters and some sorting for the rows, and that is when I decided that I had enough screen time for the day.